Hi guys. Good morning guys. It's Melanie. Yeah. Good morning guys. It's Melanie and today is my first day of online classes. It's like 11:30, okay? My sleep schedule is really fricked up and like sometimes I sleep and sometimes I just don't sleep. Like last night I slept for 3 hours. I don't know why. So that's why I slept in today, but usually I would say I wake up kind of naturally really early. But not today. So I went to bed at like 3 last night. I've been very bad. I've been going to bed at like 3 a.m. and that's because of Money Heist. God dang it, that show. It's so interesting. I slept in kind of late, but I don't have a class until 12:30. So I think I have time to make some whipped coffee. So I'm gonna go downstairs and do that. I just wanted to say hi. Good morning. Also, oh god, I look like a mess. But I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do this video just because my classes were pretty much already not all online because I liked having a mix of online and campus classes, but honestly my life in general isn't that different, you know, but I figured why not? Bro, dude, why does the light do that? That's weird. I don't really have a lot of plans for today. I'm just gonna do school, but now that it's nice out, maybe I'll go skateboarding or something. I'm gonna go with Target. I wanna watch some TV. I will update you guys that since the last time I filmed, because I did a what I eat in a day, I've been completely obsessed with whipped coffee and I've been making it every day. So I need to go downstairs and make that. It's not even like I have a caffeine addiction or anything like that. I just think it's really fun. Just drink it for the taste. To be honest, it kind of like ruins me in other ways because then I'm very sensitive to sleep and then I pretty much don't sleep, but that's okay because I kind of want some coffee. So, oh, sugar. If you guys know what I'm talking about, my crooked plant because I broke it. Good morning. Yes! My matcha came. Good morning. Okay. Good ow! Good morning. Okay, I'm grabbing breakfast. I will turn this. Ah! Shoot, bruh. I got it all over my jacket. And I literally just washed this. So I'm a little bit bummed about that. Lots of ice, some milk. Alright guys, so we got breakfast ready. I have like a yogurt bowl and then I have like a zucchini chocolate muffin that I made a little while ago. Some banana, some blueberries, soy nut butter. And I just have a little bowl of fruit and then it's my beautiful coffee. Quite beautiful. Okay friends, I'm gonna go upstairs and eat this. I eat everything in my room. I don't know if that's like, I don't even know if I'm gonna carry all of this. Oh my. Dude, this is not gonna work. Let's see. What kind of angle, bro? Alrighty. The party started. Hey guys. Ooh, naked girl. Hey guys, I'm just chilling up here in my room eating my brekkie. I wanted to do a little like chit chat, like introduction I guess, just to chat because I don't really know what this video is gonna be, to be honest. With coffee. Little story time. I can't talk when I have music on, I don't know why. Little story time. So basically, we switched to online last quarter at the like end of winter quarter. So I was already doing like Zoom classes and stuff, and then we finished and took our finals online. My college announced that we're gonna be doing all of spring quarter online also. I was enrolled in 2 art classes. I was supposed to take ceramics and oil painting, and I was super excited about it. I was treating myself. Spring quarter, senior year, I finished all my like art heavy classes, all my business core work and stuff. So I'm gonna like treat myself, take some fun art classes. I was so excited for ceramics. And then they're like, it's online. And I was like, excuse me, how am I gonna take this online? But then like by that time, everything was full. And they were like, we want you to order 25 pounds of clay to your house. And you're gonna Zoom call us so that we can see you making the pots and stuff. And I was like, So long story short, I'm still in oil painting, and then I joined a drawing class, which I'm actually very, very excited for. I'm very happy that I'm doing art classes because I almost took history. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with history. I just suck at it and my brain doesn't really work anymore. So there's that. I have those 2 classes, so I'm probably not gonna be doing like homework or anything today because I don't really have anything. I do have like a high school project, like completion thing I need to do. I need to do some stuff for college, do some editing stuff. It's really nice out, so I'm probably gonna walk my dog. I have my call at 12:30, and then I'm also taking an accounting class because I'm a biz major. I have like 15 minutes to eat breakfast, and then I have my first call for accounting. I'm gonna have a couple hours, probably like edit and stuff, and then my next call isn't until 3:30. I will also say that usually, I don't know, my wake up schedule time is very, very strange. For me, it's like if I wake up, and my dad works in the office like right next to my room, so I can hear him when he has meetings and stuff, and I wake up like, I'm a very light sleeper. So if I wake up, I'm just like up, you know? I'm excited to try this. Please be good. Quite delicious. This is coconut Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. Okay. I put my muffin that I made at home in here. I don't know if that's weird. Okay, not gonna lie, I have many things I need to do, but I've been lying here on my bed for like an hour working on my thumbnail, but I'm really proud of how it turned out. I'm gonna show you guys. This video is already up, but I just made this thumbnail. And it took so long, and now I really want to take a nap, but I can't. I have like an hour and a half until my next class, so I think I'm just gonna do some schoolwork and be productive and do emails and stuff. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I'm finished with my classes for today, but let me say, that was quite painful. And it's really bad. I don't know how these online classes are gonna go because honestly, both those classes, I was low-key on my phone the entire time. But it's fine. I have a lot of stuff I need to do now. It's mostly like introductory stuff, and I need to buy a bunch of supplies for online classes, but that's fine. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know. I also wanted to show you my hair. So I did a TikTok on this. I did the like no heat curls, and I think they look really good. And this is second day hair, and it's still there. Like, it doesn't look good. I kind of look like a rat. You know, I could style this. I also wanted to chat because basically, I've been too lazy to like work out. So I've just been like doing random workouts, and like a lot of it throughout the day. It's not even workouts. I was gonna do different TikTok stuff, like, you know how people post their things because they're being like healthy and like getting fit during quarantine, which, you know, like I should do. They're going on runs and stuff, but I cannot for the life of me get myself to run. So I've just been doing random stuff, I guess. Like the other day, I planked for 30 minutes. Not consecutively, obviously, because I would die. I would literally drop dead. I did like 2-minute planks randomly throughout the day until it added up to 30 minutes. So today, I decided I'm gonna do 1,000 squats. Sometimes I just get a little bored in my room, so I like to move to different places around the house and do my work. And I'm just gonna sit in this patch of sun and do some work. I don't know if this is gross, like, do people not do this? But I always lie on the floor everywhere in my house. Quiz on the first day. Just kidding, it was a survey. I'm also going to do a little devotional. Guys, I have to mark it down on my hand or else I'll lose count. But I've done 6 sets of 600 squats. Hi friends, kind of washed off. I finished my 1,000 squats. So filmed a little bit, and so I was a little sweaty because I had to try stuff on. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich because that sounds kind of slapping right now. Oh my gosh, I forgot my computer. Fruit. So cute. So this is my dinner. I had some fruit already. I made myself a grilled cheese, and then I just have like a little Caesar salad. And then I'm just gonna chill here, watch some Love is Blind. Hey guys, I haven't really done anything. I paid my taxes with my dad. Very fun. I watched an episode of Hawaii Five-0 and now I'm in my room. I'm gonna work on school stuff for a little bit and probably Netflix party, but that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know it's